Good morning, children. Once again, I am with the video number 10, and today we will discuss about the chemical changes. In the previous video, what we have discussed about the vehicle change, that was the temporary change. Today, we can discuss about the permanent change like chemical changes. So, the question arises, what is the chemical change? A change in which composition and chemical properties of a substance are changed. It is called a chemical change. During a chemical change, what happens? Number one or more new substances are formed. Then number two, the new substance is different from the original one. It has properties that are different than those of the original substances. Just come for the example, what we can see. Now we can come for example, what we see, when carbon is burned, carbon dioxide is produced. When carbon is burned, what is produced? Carbon dioxide is produced. Carbon dioxide has properties entirely different from the carbon. So the burning of a carbon, it is a chemical change. What is the change in the burning of carbon? That is a chemical change. Example of chemical changes are many more we can include. Burning of a matchstick, burning of a candle, burning of a wood, explosion of the firework, all are the chemical changes. All chemical changes are permanent. All chemical changes are permanent and irreversible because in these changes a new substance is formed. Number one activity. We can see a lot of activity we are doing in day-to-day life. Number one, burning of a magnesium ribbon. Copper sulfate replaces copper ion. In addition to the new substances, the following may accompany a chemical change. Change in state, change in color, change in temperature, evolution of a gas, sound may be produced, and changes in smell. Now we come across what is the differences between the physical and chemical change. Now come the different points one by one. In physical change, no new substances are formed, while in chemical changes, new substances are formed. In physical changes, they are reversible. Chemical changes are irreversible. Physical change is a temporary change. Chemical change is a permanent change. Chemical properties of the substance does not change in physical change, while in a physical change, the properties of the substances changes. In physical change, energy is neither evolved nor absorbed. In case of chemical change, energy is either evolved or absorbed. So what we have seen, there is a lot of changes in physical and chemical changes. Based upon the same, we can discuss about the number of questions that you have to do as a home assignment. Just come. Video number 10, home assignment. Number 1, give an example of a chemical reaction for each of the following situation. A change in color is observed. A change in color is observed. B, a gas is evolved. C, sound is produced. Question number 2, how do you identify a chemical change? Explain with an example. Question number 3, why is burning of magnesium ribbon considered a chemical change? Question number 4. Distinguish between physical and chemical changes. 5 points different. And then 5, there is a write 3 importance of chemical changes. And the 6, mention 5 example of chemical changes. These all are the today's work. Hope everybody is well. Do the needful and cope up with this COVID situation. All the best, children. Thank you.